Can you play games on Snapchat? What is up, everyone? In this tutorial, we're going to find out if you are able to play games on Snapchat. But before we do that, don't forget to leave a like down below and subscribe to the channel. So let us jump right into the video. First thing first, you're going to have to open up your Snapchat application on your phone. And from here, you just head over to your chat section. Once you land on your chats page, open up any chat that you want to play games with. So let's say if I just open up this chat right here. Before the recent updates, you used to be able to see a rocket icon right here around the emoji icon. So if you tapped on the rocket icon, you used to be able to play a lot of different games on Snapchat. Right now, Snapchat has removed that option. So to check that, you just tap on your profile icon, tap on the settings at the top right, scroll down all the way until you find Help Center. So click on Help Center right here. On your Help Center, you are going to search for games on Snapchat. So on the search bar, go ahead and search for games and tap on the related article that will show up. As you can see here, there is an article named Games on Snapchat. Here it's saying that games are no longer available. So Snapchat has removed the gaming feature, so you're no longer able to play games on Snapchat. I hope this video was helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.